Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. When it shows unable to install update on your iPhone, how can you solve it and update your iPhone to iOS 17? You can see 5 ways to solve this issue in this video. Ways 1. Check whether your iPhone is compatible with iOS 17 or not. Go to the iOS 17 official website. Then check whether your iPhone is in the list of iOS 17 compatible devices or not. Way 2. Free up space for iOS 17 update. Tap Settings on your iPhone. Go down and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Then you can choose apps to remove to get more space for iOS updates. Okay, now you can try to update iOS 17 again. Way 3. Make sure your iPhone is full of power and connected to a stable network. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Then tap Battery. Okay, turn off the low power mode to ensure the successful update. Way 4. Update iPhone to iOS 17 with iSunshare iOS Repair Genius. Go to iSunshare.com and find iOS Repair Genius. Head to its product page and then download the program. After that, install it in no time. Oh, you should have iTunes on your computer before we go ahead. Well, open the software and choose System Repair option. Click Standard Mode. Now read the text and click the Start button. The software asks you to connect the iPhone to this computer with a USB cable. Then you need to put the iPhone into recovery mode. Okay, go back to the software and click the Next button. Alright, your iPhone is recognized by the software. Choose iOS 17 as the firmware version. Click Download to get the firmware package. Okay, read the note carefully. Then click the Repair button. Well done! The software shows a successful message and the iPhone restarts. You can unlock the iPhone to have a check. See, the iOS version is 17 now. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.